Let's learn how to add cinematic black bars in CapCut. Cinematic black bars, also known as letterboxing, are horizontal black bars that appear at the top and bottom of a video frame. They are used to maintain the aspect ratio of a widescreen film when displayed on a screen that has a different aspect ratio, such as a standard HD TV. So without wasting your time, let's start. First thing we need to do is to download a PNG photo, so go to open any web browser on your phone. Because I have iPhone, I will use Safari, but you can use whatever you want. After that, on search bar, go to type blackbars PNG. And Google shows you a list of photos you can use. I'm going to download this first one. If you want also to download this photo, I will leave link in description and you can download it. Next step is to go on CapCut app. I'm already at a video for editing. If you want to have this video, you can download it on website called pixels.com. There is completely free video for download. Then on Tools bar in the bottom of the screen, go to click on Overlay. And again, click on Add Overlay in the bottom of the screen. Now go to select a photo we download before on Photo section by tapping on Photo and then click on Add button in bottom right corner of the screen. Now the final process you need to do is to expand a black bar on whole screen and video, and you are done. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.